Hi, this is the JBL Xtreme 3 Bluetooth speaker, and in this video I would like to show you what you can do if you have any connectivity or charging problem with this speaker. In this case, it's worth to try to set back the factory default settings of the speaker. This method can be useful if you would like your speaker to forget all the formerly paired and connected devices. So to do this, first I will turn on the speaker. Okay, when it's turned on, we have to press the volume up and the play buttons simultaneously for around 5-6 seconds till the speaker turns off. As you can see, it's turned off, indicating that the reset procedure was successful. So in this case, you just have to turn on the speaker again. And as you can see, it's already in pairing mode, available for pairing and connecting to a device. So it forgot all the former paired and connected devices. So I hope this solved your problem. If yes, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You were watching The Speaker Fanatic.